Tony. Hi, I'm videoing you. This is a live video. We're going to put it on YouTube.
Okay. Oh, yes.
We're in a...
Pole.
It was sunny. Tony needs her pole. Look at the water pouring off our place here. Okay, look at this water pouring off the roof. It's raining. We were on the beach 10 minutes ago. We come in, it's pouring. Let's see Linda. Here's the condo, everybody. Here's our condo. Hi. Watching the news. Here, a little quick tour of the condo.
It's definitely...
Turn on the light. Okay. Master bathroom. Ooh. Master bedroom. Okay. Oop, washer dryer. Sir, Tony, hi. Little video.
Here we go again.
There's our dining room, our sculpture, our fans. There's our kitchen. Here's a second bedroom, office. We call this Tony's packing room. The front door. Here is, okay, Linda's room. Neat and tidy. Linda, you in the bathroom? Okay, you're on video. Okay, wine cooler. Okay. We won't show any scorpions because the last one was just killed this morning. Okay, Tone, say mahalo to everybody.
Mahalo. Aloha. What's mahalo mean?
It means hello.